My name is Chen. I am a wellness chef. I gained over 100 pounds. I was pre-diabetic. I had heart problems. Food actually saved my life. I transformed my life through food. Anytime I get too stressed out about something, if something's not happening at the right time, or if a certain outcome is not happening, like I'm not losing weight or fitting into my clothes, I just realized like, okay, I surrender. Like I give up. I'm not gonna stress out about it. I'm not gonna compare myself to other people. Everyone's on their other path. You always have that friend who's like, oh my gosh, she lost X amount of weight, and you envy them. That energy of envy doesn't get you anywhere because you're comparing yourself. Once you compare yourself, you take your power away. So investing in just focusing on what's ahead of you. What am I doing today to better my health? Am I drinking that smoothie? Am I drinking that juice? Am I going for that yoga class? Am I taking my kids out for a walk? What is it that you can do today to invest in you?